Hey, good afternoon, YouTube. So today what we're working on is the roof on the trailer. And what I'm doing is removing all the old sealer that's leaking. And what I'm using is a drill as well as a wire brush on the end of the drill. And then I've got some leak stopper as well as some fabric that goes in the stuff. So once I get a section removed, I'll bring you back and show you how I'm doing it. All right, so here's what we're working on YouTube. This is the roof of the trailer. As you can see, it's just panels of sheet metal that have a fold over joint, and there's some kind of gooey sealant on it that's just coming off in chunks. So what I'm doing, I've just got a drill and a pretty stiff wire brush, and I'm going along and I'm cleaning up about 4 inches out. And I'm also turning the drill so it gets in this groove right here, because the sealer that I'm using is pliable and it can go into grooves. So I'm gonna push it back into there to seal it up, lay the fabric on top of it, and then put the top coat on it. So I'll bring you back when I get done with that. I'm gonna finish cleaning up this entire side. That way I can just do long runs, and then we'll take care of it. See y'all in a little while. Okay, as you can see, we got the material put down, troweled down rather, all the way down this side of the trailer. And then this material, this gray colored stuff, is what we're removing. And if you look right here, you can actually see where the material had pulled away and was allowing water to run down. And that's what caused the plywood to rot on the front wall, like I showed you in the earlier videos. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come down and I'm gonna do all 4 edges. Then I'm gonna get a product that will do, can go on with a roller, and I'm gonna roll the entire roof in order to fully waterproof it. Now you'll notice in these cracks right here, you'll see how it's like a folded and crimped seam. Over here is where it hasn't been cleaned out, and you can see there's pieces of sealant everywhere. So what I'm gonna do, once I have all 4 sides done, I'm gonna come back and figure out a way to get out on the roof, and I'm gonna clean out all of those grooves, and I'm gonna pack them full of this sealant as well, probably without the tape though. And then we'll roll coat a final top coat over it. All right, everybody, good evening. Finally got all that stuff cleaned off of me. Let me show you what we're using right here. This stuff is pretty much like you took one of them latex bodysuits that you see in certain kind of programs, melted it down and put it in a can. So this is the stuff right here, leak stopper. What it is basically a super thick chemical that's mixed with rubber, and it's applied with a trowel to a clean, debris-free surface. So what I did is I took an electric drill with a real coarse wire brush, ran it all along the edge seam of the roof of the trailer, and then underneath where the side piece comes up and over and then the roof material goes under, I cleaned all of it out of that edge and then packed it full of that rubberized roofing material. Additionally, you lay this mesh, you put down a skim coat approximately 1/8 of an inch thick, you lay that mesh down in it, and then you come back over it with another 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch coating to embed the mesh between the two, and that helps to add to flexibility, helps to add to longevity, et cetera, et cetera. All right, so in closing on the day, just like always, I appreciate y'all tuning in. This evening, I think I may get up in the trailer and do some sanding. There's a few high spots on the wall. I need to fill the holes and then get it ready for primer. But that will be in tomorrow's video. As always, till today was MBC 7, and I hope for a great many more, because MBC is the fully support for all of this. And without MBC's love, it wouldn't be possible. So I appreciate y'all. Have a great day.